Abaribe represents what a legislator should be globally: a lawmaker, a law defender, and always he exemplifies what we should be in public office. Always having the courage to speak against injustice, falsehood, marginalisation, and most importantly, speaking truth to power, which is very difficult, especially in our dear country, where doing so will be seen as an offense, a grave offense. I know that myself, because I know what I go through whenever you speak or give interview, whenever you speak in public or do any sort of an interview. You will see people asking you, where did you get this figure? How did you arrive at this figure? How did you come about this? It even happened to me just this morning, not yesterday, just this morning. Because I saw where MBS said that if you have 137,430 naira, you live above poverty. I said, we can't have our own standard that is different from the global standard. The global standard said what you need every day is $1.90. If you translate it to the real market, which I call it's almost 10,000 naira a day. But our own is 300 and something naira a day. I said it won't work. Our standard won't be different. So I know what the engineer Abaribe goes through. And I encourage him and all of us to continue. I look forward to reading this wonderful book. I'm sure Made-in-Aba will be, for me in particular, I want to be a big man. So I will learn a lot from the book on how to be a big man. And also learn some tricks about how to manage persecution whenever you speak truth to power.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.